Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add another store to your Shopify account. Managing multiple stores lets us run different brands or businesses all under one login. Let's walk through it together. On your Shopify dashboard, go to the upper right corner. Here, we can see our stores. To add a new store, we just need to click that, then click Create Store. We will be taken to a page where we can set up the new store. Here, we can skip this step. Or, if we want to connect to PayPal, we can connect it here. We will skip this for now. Next, we need to choose where we would like to sell. Then, we select whether the store is for a new or existing business. Once we have made our selection, we click Next. Then, we choose what we plan to sell and click Next again. Now, we enter our store name here, like this, and click Finish. We just need to wait while Shopify sets everything up. Once it is ready, we refresh the page. And there we go. The new store is now live. That is how we add another store to our Shopify account. With multiple stores, we can grow our business and manage everything in one place.